Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all, the eminent lawyers on the stage, in the audience, and all those who have made it here today for coming all the way on a very special day for me. Standing here today, I am filled with a profound sense of gratitude and reflection. I remember standing in a similar space 16 years ago in 2010 when I began the journey of Legally Consulting, which has now created a unique name and space for itself for the management of law firms in India and internationally. And then again in 2017, when Human Elevation, a global talent acquisition firm, was born. Both initiatives started with a simple idea to bring about a meaningful change. And today they have grown into institutions that continue to evolve, expand, and contribute to the legal fraternity across generations and geographies. As part of my engagement with the global legal fraternity, I have also represented the country as the India Principal of EDGE International for more than 15 years. And as I step into the next phase of my contribution to the legal sector, I'm taking both my organizations to the international stage with plans to establish a global presence and open offices beyond India, while working in the domestic sector also. Everything that I have done over the years, whether through Legally Consulting or Human Elevation, has been guided by a single thought that I have had certain experiences, learnings, and insights. They must not remain limited to me. They must be shared with a larger community that can benefit from them. In many ways, Atman Samarpan represents the same beginning. Since then, a new journey built on the same belief, but with a much larger and deeper purpose. So today, I stand here to bring to you something that is even closer to my heart, Atman Samarpan, something deeply personal, life-changing, and driven by the same ethos of creating impact, but this time it is far more holistic way. A lot of you here may ask me, what is Atman Samarpan? I wish I could define it in one single sentence, but it is not something that can be defined. It is something that must be experienced. At the heart of Atman Samarpan lies the understanding of the body, the mind, and the soul guided by the heart. And when we begin to take care of all these dimensions, we start creating a balance between doing and being. As we grow in life, there comes a point where we begin to listen to ourselves more deeply. We begin to do what we truly feel like doing, not what the world expects, but what our inner self calls for. There is that part within each of us that cannot be explained in words. It can only be felt. And that part needs to be nurtured, sustained, and expressed so that we can live in true balance. Atman Samarpan is that part within each of us, that part that brings us joy, not just happiness, but a deeper, more fulfilling sense of joy. And when we connect with that part, when we allow ourselves to engage in what truly brings us alive, something within us aligns. That is when a human being feels complete. And that is when the very best of who we are begins to emerge. And that is the ethos of Atman Samarpan, integration and collaboration. It is about human beings and communities coming together, not just professionally, but as individuals who understand and uplift one another to evolve personally and spiritually. We are living in a world where machines and technology are continuously improving the ways we function. Artificial intelligence is making processes faster, sharper, and more efficient. But beyond all of this, there is something that technology cannot replace: the human ability to connect, to empathize, and to elevate one another. When we come together with that intent, we create something far more meaningful than what we can ever achieve alone. Success, fulfillment, and the realization of aspirations ultimately come from within. Each one of us must take that journey ourselves. But as we walk that path, we also have the opportunity to build something collective, something that supports, strengthens, and uplifts one and everyone. And that is where Atman Samarpan begins to take shape. With Atman Samarpan, the vision is to build one of the largest and more meaningful global communities of lawyers across jurisdictions, across generations, and across areas of practice. And once we come together as a community, the next natural question is, what will we do together? We will build together a living, breathing platform that nurtures every dimension of a human being through a wide range of engagements that are meaningful and practical. It will include community interactions and dialogue through events and programs, policy, and think tank initiatives through forums. I also plan to cover structured mentoring opportunities, peer learning, coaching, knowledge sharing, storytelling, and experience sharing opportunities where individuals can inspire each other through lived journeys, including the young professionals and law aspirants who seek guidance in their professional journey. To top it, there would be initiatives dedicated to mindfulness, wellness, and professional growth through training and development opportunities, both on site and during curated off-sites and retreats. It will also cover all forums of creative expression through music, dance, visual arts, creativity, along with promoting physical well-being through sports, movement, recreation, yoga, and other practices. And through all of this, Indian culture wisdom will remain a constant thread, quietly guiding, grounding, and enriching the entire experience. And when all these dimensions begin to come together, something deeper unfolds. It is in the balance that something powerful happens. The subconscious mind begins to align with our deeper mind. It becomes stronger than the conscious mind. It begins to guide us, support us, and help us achieve what we truly seek, often in ways that we cannot logically explain. And when this inner alignment happens, it naturally expands outward. There comes a point in life, even for the most successful individuals, when the question arises, what next? And very often the answer lies not in achieving more, but in giving more. If all of us, in whatever capacity we can, come together to support those who are less privileged, the impact can be profound. Even if we are able to feed 100 people, the joy that comes from that is far, far greater, many times over, even when we do the biggest professional victory. That is the kind of fulfillment that cannot be measured, only experienced. And this is where the collective power of Atman Samarpan truly comes alive. We will collaborate with other forums and communities, expands possibilities. When we come together, we become larger than ourselves. And most importantly, this platform will belong to everyone. It is a shared space. There will be a structure, of course, to ensure continuity, but the spirit will always remain collective, inclusive, and open. I can already feel the energy building. I see people coming forward, expressing their willingness to be part of this journey. And I have no doubt that this initiative will grow rapidly and touch the lives of lawyers in meaningful ways. As you continue to pursue your aspirations to grow, to succeed, and to excel, I invite you to add one more dimension in your life. This is not a sacrifice. It is not something you have to give up for. It is in fact an expansion of who you are. Even if you give a small amount of your time to something that truly brings you joy, you will begin to see a shift. Life becomes more meaningful, more balanced, more blissful. And when you reach a point where you are able to let go of yourselves, even momentarily, and allow the larger good to prevail, something profound changes within you. Because in the most testing moments of life, whether it is pandemic like COVID, a time of war, or any situation that challenges our very existence, it is not systems, institutions, or technology that ultimately holds us together. It is human beings who give solace to one another, who stand by each other, and who restores faith and hope. This is Atman Samarpan. It is just not an initiative. It is a movement. It is a feeling. It is a shared journey. With your presence, this moment feels so alive, so present, and so meaningful. Thank you.